On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What is up, Minitruck? Yeah, it's been a long time, girl. Let's go drop that scooter off at Chris's house. I want to show you guys what I did. Damn mice and squirrels. Anyway, you know how this thing was always hard starting because it's a draw-through carburetor. And it's got to go through the supercharger, back up through the charge pipe, and go into the intake there. So starting it when it's cold was always hard because, you know, you could never get the vapors of the fuel back up in there. So what I did was put an electric fuel pump, an electric solenoid, and I got a small little jet that goes into that intake there. Turn the key on, it turns the electric fuel pump on, tap the pedal a few times, put the choke on, and then when I turn the key, I'll push that and it'll open up that solenoid and give it a little bit of prime. We'll see how it works because it's been sitting for 4 months, actually more than 4 months.
Oh no.
See how it burns out?
That's cool.
Woo! Doing stunts. Motor rider's taking off without me. He's gonna ride over to Matt's house. That thing is crazy fast. Motor rider's new toy. That's cruising right there. These scooters ain't no joke. Something going on over there. Left your blinker on. They drove it all the way to Matt's house. Now, Matt's not home.
I don't see anyone around.
He's not at his house? How fast your speedometer say you got it up to when you're going down that hill? Huh? No. What are you gonna do? Just cruise around?
I don't know.
I gonna go down and see what all them cops are over there for. Maybe, I just went through there. That thing's quick, huh? Woo! Burning out. Mini is running good. Started right up. I hit my little prime button when I cranked it over. I mean, it fired off like a fuel-injected truck. .50 went by. Can't go that way? Don't know what it is, they won't let us through. Take the long way home. Yeah, the BM's back up for sale. Yeah, it looks like there's an accident over by the old wooden nickel or whatever. We saw it because I followed Chris all the way over to Matt's and Matt wasn't home. So we went down to the bridge and he's heading back. He should be here any minute. Yeah, they wouldn't even let us through there.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheez.com. Thanks for watching.